Hi, welcome to Go Science Classroom series. Today we are going to see the demonstration of a smart irrigation project. Let us see what we have in the project. We have a base sheet, we have a green grass mat, we have a soil moisture sensor. So this is the soil probe, this is the driver board to which the soil moisture sensor is connected. You could see the two jumper wires is connected to the soil moisture sensor, and here three sensors from the driver board, which is VCC, ground and DO, which stands for digital output, is connected to the 5 volt relay. So we have connected the relay using soldering at the bottom of the relay, and on the top you could see we have connected the jumper wires which comes from the driver board of the soil moisture sensor. And then we have connected two wires which joins the DC pump motor, which is submerged in water. This is a 300 ml water container which we are using to mimic this as a water tank. And you could also see a hose pipe is connected to spray the water. And we also get two empty containers. For demonstration, I have filled the container with dry soil and a wet soil for demonstration. So the kit does not include soil and a 9 volt battery. 9 volt battery is to be procured separately. So before we demonstrate, let us see if we have enough water. To pour water, just open the lid, pour the amount of water you want. I have just filled minimal water, and make sure the lid is tightly closed. I have used only minimal water because this is the size of my container. If you are using a pot, you could fill the water completely. Before we start demonstration, let me tell you an important thing about the battery. Since we are using a DC pump motor, the pump motor consumes more power. So it is always better to use a good quality battery. For demonstration, I am using a Duracell battery. You could use other 9 volt batteries as well, but that will drain the power in few minutes. So using a good battery will help you run this project for more time. So now, before connecting the battery, I am going to insert the sensor's probe to the wet soil container. So as you could see, I have inserted the soil moisture sensor. And one more important point, so these plates which you see is the area where the moisture level would be detected. So it should only be up to this level, it should not cross the black one. So I have inserted the sensor. And when you connect the battery, make sure you connect with right polarity. We have connected a diode, but still for your safety or for long life of the components, it is better to connect it on the right polarity. And every time before demonstration, make sure you keep the hose pipe separately, which does not go near any electronics, because sometimes if the threshold is lesser than what we assume, then the water might automatically start spraying, which might damage the electronics. That is why we have given you a lengthy hose pipe, so it could be placed separately. So let me connect the battery. I have connected the battery. Since the sensor has already detected a wet soil, the pump motor is in off state. Now if I just remove the sensor, it will start spraying. So what I would do is to start on a proper system. I will just remove the battery again. Take this sensor, wipe the probe, and this is the dry soil. So I am going to insert this in a dry soil, and I am going to hold the pipe like this, and I am going to connect the battery. So now once I connect the battery, the water will start spraying. Let us connect the battery. Now as you saw, since the soil was dry, it sprayed the water. and once the sensor has detected the moist content, the sensor has stopped the spraying of the water. So this is how the smart irrigation works. Just to give you a better understanding, you could see here, once I remove the sensor, it sprays the water. Once I remove the sensor, it sprays the water. Similarly, if it is inserted inside the water again, it stops. Great. So now let me explain you the operational safety and provide you a concept clarification. This pre-assembled kit is engineered as an educational proof of concept model to demonstrate closed loop agriculture automation and soil moisture sensing principles. In commercial agriculture irrigation networks, it utilizes complex programmable logic controllers, which is PLC, high pressure water pumps, inline flow meters, and dedicated power grids. And this is a mount here, so you could mount your 9-volt battery here. And the safety guide, one important thing is, whenever you demonstrate, make sure the water related equipments, hose pipe, everything is kept aside from the electronics so it does not damage us. And these are the containers, so you could refill it again with the dry soil to show demonstration. And if you're keeping a pot, make sure to fill the water completely. So this is how the smart irrigation system works. Thank you for watching.